Welcome to Kushlan Products. Today, we are going to walk you through the simple and efficient process of assembling the Kushlan Kpro 350 megapixel cement mixer. Let's dive right in and start assembling. First, bolt the axle to the main lower frame, using the bolt the axle to the main lower frame. Next, install the wheels on both sides of the axle with the hub protrusion facing outward. Secure each wheel with the steel washer and R-clip at the axle end. Then, attach the two support legs to the drawbar sleeve using the 10x1.50x50mm machine bolts, placing a washer and nut on the opposite side to tighten. After that, connect the top of the drawbar to the lower main frame using the 10x1.25x50mm machine bolt and nuts. Following this, pull back the latch on the swivel bracket, slide the bracket onto the lower main frame, and lock it in place. Attach the tilting main frame to the swivel bracket by inserting the pivot pin and securing it with an R-clip. Then, remove the outer nuts, flat washers, and spring washers from the 4 motor studs. Mount the motor onto the tilting main frame, then reinstall, in order, the flat washer, spring washer, and nut on each stud to secure the motor. Attach the bushing flange and rubber washer to the back of the drum with screws. Tighten the nuts inside the drum to secure. Insert the carriage bolts into the bottom hole and the side holes of the drum. Then install the blades inside the drum and secure them using the Whizlock nuts. Slide the drum onto the shaft of the gear motor. Turn so the hole lines up. Install the machine bolt and tighten the lock nut. Finally, install handles and attach them with spring clips, and you are done.